Okay, so finally I've taken a shower, and let's get ready with me while I tell you what this vlog is about. Bro, I have not vlogged in such a long time that this is a bit awkward for me right now. So basically, I came back home from PG like 1 week ago, and all week I was literally bed rotting all day. Like, I was scrolling and my screen time was above 10 hours or something in a day, which I feel like was really bad, and I needed to change that. I was literally so lazy all day when I came back, but I thought, theek hai, this is also like a kind of rest that you're giving yourself, I feel like, and I feel like I deserved it kinda, क्योंकि I had kind of a busy schedule जब मैं PG में थी. So I feel like I kind of had a busy schedule जब मैं PG में थी, तो I feel like I deserved at least 1 week of bed rotting. But after 1 week it starts to get really depressing, right? You feel like you have no purpose, right? So I am going to try and change that throughout these few days and take you guys along with me to this process, and I hope it goes well. And talking about productivity, I don't really want to be like कि बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ extreme I want to do, but a few things that I want to make sure that I do every day is, first of all, go to the gym like at least 5 times a week, because I've been very inconsistent with my gym and working out. Like, I have done no exercise for like 1 month or so, and I feel like that is really unhealthy for my body, so I feel like I should do better. Second thing would be definitely to cook a little bit, at least one meal a day, be it lunch or dinner or breakfast. And I wanna learn a bit cooking as a hobby during my vacations, and I really wanna make healthy meals for myself where I can see if what ingredients do I put in there, like less oil or whatever. I just wanna practice cooking as a hobby, really. Another thing that I would like to do is drive around more, because I have lost all my driving practice, and I have my learning license but not my actual one yet. So I really want to practice before I give the test and be perfect at it. The most important thing is I want to create, like I want to make videos. I feel like making YouTube videos and editing them makes me feel so happy. I feel like it's just something that I love to do. I have been doing this for like years, since I was 13, but then I stopped in the middle and everything. But I feel like I keep coming back to this place, and I feel like I love it here. You can stop anytime, you can adjust your timings, and I feel like I just love doing this. So this video is basically going to be me trying to reconnect to making content and really being comfortable with the camera, because it's feeling very new than it felt before. But I know I'll just get used to it like I did before. I am going to try and put my life together slowly, brick by brick, and you are going to come along with me. Okay guys, it's 6 p.m. and we're gonna hit the gym at 6:30, and we have to get ready. We have to put on an outfit, and I feel like I love going to the gym. If I put on a very cute outfit, I feel like it's a sort of a motivation. So like let's look for an outfit. That is my suitcase, and all of this is unpacked from PG, so I'll just have to pick an outfit from my suitcase. So let's get that. Okay, I feel like I can wear this top, and I need to have a jacket on top. What can I wear? Found it. Okay, I have found these pants in the laundry. These are like flare gym pants, and I hope they don't look weird when I wear them क्योंकि ये इस्त्री नहीं किया हुआ. So let's just try it on and hope that it looks nice. Okay guys, change of plans. I feel a bit too bloated in this outfit because of the way that I'm eating, but we're gonna change, we're gonna improvise into a cute little t-shirt so we feel comfy when we work out. And it's not just about the cuteness. I think I still want to wear pink today, like a pastel pink, and I have the perfect t-shirt for it, so let me go get it. Okay, so this is our final outfit. This is what I'm wearing to the gym. This is a t-shirt which says train. It's from Puma, and I think our outfit today is so cutie pie. I just love it. Guys, we're back from the gym and we're making sev dungrin sak. We're making sev dungri sak. Sugar free curry. Stevia. Okay guys, it's officially day 2 and today we're gonna set up the luggage that I brought from PG because I have not done that in a whole week. So we're gonna do that now. So the clothes setup is done. Now we're gonna go cook. Ada kelasan hari beci.